Hi, my name is John Paulette and I'm the founder of the AssetKing.com. We develop assets that produce passive income on a massive scale. These assets start off as a small website that grow every month and they produce more and more income each month. The king of all assets are small websites that generate cash through the sale of affiliate products every single day. So, you may be asking, what are affiliate products? Affiliate products are basically commissions paid to you for selling somebody else's product or service. For instance, we have an affiliate site in the bedding niche. Every time we sell a mattress on that site, we get paid a commission of £100. The beauty is, we don't even have to stock them, we don't even see the mattresses. When we build you a site, we also optimise that site for the search engines to get all the free traffic we can. For example, the more than 80,000 searches for mattresses a month. Next, we use world-class ad agencies who are experts in using Facebook, Google and Instagram ads to drive paid traffic to the offer. The goal of all of our sites is to spend £1 and make £2 or more back. These sites are a lot less risky than the stock market and even property or real estate, which you can work out in advance based on mathematical evidence of what returns. So, knowing the numbers, we have a very good idea before we start exactly how much income will be generated in each niche. For instance, if we look at our mattress site, our setup cost would be £5,000, 80,000 searches, a click-through rate of 10% a month, that's 8,000 click-throughs. Our cost per click is £1.50, which comes to £12,000. Our sales at 2.5%, which is a real lowball number, would be £200. Our income per sale would be £100. So our sales would be £20,000, less our cost per click of £12,000. That's an £8,000 profit a month, which is a return of investment of 160% per month. Try getting that with property. And that is assuming we're getting no free traffic. Also, if you wanted to sell this site, after 3 months of revenue, we have an asset worth about 160,000 to 320,000. So if these kind of returns blow your way, click the subscribe button below and look out for some more videos coming shortly. Or get over to the AssetKing.com today and check out our done-for-you service.